Hi everyone, my name is Vladimir Khorikov and welcome to my course Domain-Driven Design and EF Core, Preserving Encapsulation. I'm very excited to share this course with you. Entity Framework has made great progress over the past several years and introduced a lot of features that help you build rich, highly encapsulated domain models. But there still are pitfalls and shortcomings that you need to be aware of. This course will show you how to preserve encapsulation of your domain models and apply domain-driven design in applications with EF Core. You will learn various mapping techniques that will help you build complex domain models on one hand and leverage the full power of EF Core on the other. Some of the major topics that we will cover include mapping value objects, working with detached objects, mapping one-to-many relationships, and implementing a domain event dispatcher. By the end of this course, you will know everything needed to start applying domain-driven design in your own projects with EF Core. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the C# programming language and Entity Framework. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn how to combine domain-driven design and EF Core here at Pluralsight.